Hi there. Welcome to the reception checklist document. As you can see here, we've got a list of orders. We've got the staff who is responsible for reception and all of these different little pieces you're going to be initialing. That's pretty basic stuff. What we're going to cover in this video is how to use filter views to only view the rows on here that you are specifically looking at and working on without affecting the view of the other staff members, and how to add notes so that if there's something specific you want to say down here, you can just put your initials and then have a little pop-up with your notes in it so we can keep everything nice and clean and simple and easy to read. So first off, filter views. There's going to be multiple people looking at this document at any given time. And if I just want to filter it to the project I'm working on, then that's going to change that for everyone on the document. And that's not what we want to have be the case. We want to have multiple people working on this at the same time, but only viewing the rows that they are actively working on. And so the way that we do that is with filter views. Now, don't confuse a filter view with the filter. The filter is on right now. You can see these little inverted pyramids. That's the main filter. That's the master filter for the entire document. What we have here, and what you will need to be doing is the first time you use this, save this filter as a filter view. Just click the little drop down, save it as a filter view, give it your name, and then whatever I do inside of this filter view, I can only see this row, but everybody else who's using the document, if I turn off this filter view, you can see the main view is unaltered. So when I toggle on my filter view, it's only changing the view for myself. So basically, if I have a new project, I come in here, I put my initials here, and I can turn on my filter view, and I can just look at that single row. I could also, if I wanted to look at my previous work, I could highlight all of the columns in the staff column that have my initials there. And still, no matter what I do, as long as I have this filter view turned on, just click on it, this master view is unaffected, and anybody else can come in and work and use their own individual filter views to just view the stuff that they are working on. So that's the filter view. Next is adding a note. So these cells at the top have notes. Every single one of them, they have kind of the column is named with kind of the basic 1 or 2 or 3 word summary of what you're looking for. And then the pop-up, the note, has a little more detail on what you're looking for here. And the way you can tell that there's a note is this little black triangle will be in the top right. So let's say I am working on a project and I want to make a note, maybe the videos and the count times, there's something weird going on there. All I do is highlight the cell, right click on it, and go to insert note. And once I insert that note, I can type here and say videos appear to be from wrong project, whatever it is. And that way, when a supervisor comes in to review your work or you're calling something to their attention, as soon as they hover over that cell, that note will pop up. It's a great way to put a lot of information into a nice, clean, simple interface. Just add a note. And that is, if you want to get rid of a note, you can right click and delete it, and then it's gone. So that's our lesson for today. Thanks for watching. Keep kicking butt. Have a good one.